Y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Isla Life here, back with another video. And in today's video, I am dyeing my hair. These two pieces that I already have sectioned with baking soda and peroxide. I think this is a really stupid idea, but I haven't really seen anything bad happen to anyone that's tried it, and I just want to put this on record that TikTok made me do this. So I have my little bowl. I have my peroxide, okay? I got my baking soda, and I got my little brush because I used to think I was a hairstylist, so like I got all the professional shit that I needed. And then I also just got some whatever this shit is called to like incubate it, you know? So let's get to mixing. So I'm just gonna pour in as much as I think I need for both sides. I guess I can always add more later. I just really hope my hair doesn't fall out because I'm doing these two pieces in the front, and bitch, I don't even want to. I'd be so sad if my hair fell out. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm just mixing these together. I don't want it too watery, right? I want it kind of like hair dye. I really cannot think right now. Okay, so I mixed this all together, and I forget what I was gonna say. Oh, my hair. I just washed it and got out of the shower and like ran some errands today, so there's no product in it or anything, and it is completely dry. But can you see this? I don't want to spill it. Well, that's kind of just what it looks like. Kind of pretty watery. Well, here goes nothing, I guess. This just doesn't seem like correct. Like, this doesn't seem like, oops, here goes nothing. Well, I already got it on my scalp, so I hope that's not a problem. If this works though, I'm going to be very happy. I'll just say that now. Okay, well, I'm just gonna wrap this up now. That looks right? And I'm gonna put some more down here. I mean, I guess, right? I'm gonna like, yeah. Oh, I got some on my face. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so we got both pieces done. I'm just gonna clean up my face a little bit and clean up any little parts that aren't supposed to be colored, if this even works. And I'm gonna go back and do the first, like the roots of the first one again, because I didn't get it very good. Because I was trying not to get it on my scalp, but then I did the second one and I was like, fuck it, I got it all over my scalp, so oh well. Okay, so now that I have both sides done, wrapped up and whatever, I'm going to set a timer for 2 hours. I'll probably check on it in like an hour, and then if it's not doing anything, or if it's just not light enough or something, then I'll leave it on for another hour. But I'll see you guys in about an hour or two. So it's been about an hour, and my mom's very disappointed in me, and we're gonna check it. So let's check the first piece that we did. I think just by looking at the roots, maybe it got a little bit lighter in some spots. Oh. Oh my god. It's lighter. Y'all probably, wait, can you tell? I feel like you can definitely tell a little bit. It's not like y'all really know what my hair looks like for real, but I feel like you can just tell. I'm kind of in shock. Wait. Now I'm gonna see the rest of it. The rest of it's probably gonna be black. What the hell? Well, I'm gonna put a little bit more on the root of this one because I didn't do it as good the first time. But and then I'm gonna put the foil back on for the rest of the hour that's left. And then I'll come back and rinse it out and finish the rest of this process. My hair doesn't feel like dry or stringy or like crackly right now either. Like, it feels all right. When I was younger, I like had the two, or was it just, I can't remember if it was one or two, but like these two front pieces, I had them dyed like bright pink ones, and I had them dyed like orange, and then I had them dyed like orange and yellow. Okay, I'm gonna let the rest of this hour to 45-minute timer run out, and then I'm gonna come back, and like I said, we're gonna rinse it out and see if we need to do it again or whatever. So it has been 2 hours, and I can already see like the root of that one is so light. So let's just take this off, and then we're going to rinse it. I mean, I'm not expecting a perfect job. I'm expecting it to be a little like patchy and whatever, but hopefully it's not too bad. English, can't speak English. So this is what quarantine will do to you. This is what you just fucking dye your hair with peroxide and baking soda. Okay, so what the fuck? Okay, so I almost fell over. So I'm gonna rinse this out. Give me 1 second. Okay, so all of it is rinsed out, and it's definitely lighter. It looks a lot more, like less patchy on camera. It's not really bad. Like, you wouldn't really be able to tell. It's just like right here is a little darker than the rest of it, and like right here, but right here there's like a line that's like, I mean, you can see it. See this right here and this, but I don't know, this side turned out pretty good, but my hair feels fine. Like, it feels really good. Anyways, long story short, it worked. Yeah, this side is really splotchy, but like, it's okay. I look a mess. Like, I'm just now realizing that as I'm filming this video, but okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this, I would never walk out of the house like this, but I'm just gonna let this dry up like this just to see, and then we'll come back and see how it looks when it's completely dry. Hey y'all, so it's like a week later, and I know I look crazy right now. Let's not talk about it. I'm in the middle of doing a hairstyle. I just blow dry my hair, but a little update on my hair. As you can see, it's very noticeable. I actually ended up doing the whole process another time over, which was probably not the best idea, because after I did that, my hair was so dead and so dry. Like, I could not even get my finger through it, nor comb, nor brush, none of that. So that happened, and then I ended up doing a warm oil treatment, and I slept with a deep conditioner in it overnight, and that really, really helped. And it was still a little bit dry after that, but it wasn't too bad. But as of now, it's good. I think I did a pretty good job. My sections are pretty even, and I think it looks pretty cute. And I've already tried it in a hairstyle, so I know how it looks. But I guess that was the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you would do this, would you risk it and do your whole head? Because I've seen people do that. Or would you just do these little front pieces like this, or like the ends, or something creative like that? But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you're alerted every single time I post. And comment down below if you think this was a stupid idea as much as I thought it was a stupid idea. If y'all like how it turned out, you know, give me some feedback. Also, make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, and add me on TikTok. Those will all be links down below. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during this whole quarantine, corona. I know it's hitting people different right now, this boredom, but, you know, we gonna get through it, and it's gonna be good, and when it's done, we gonna be lit. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!